Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What's going on everybody? I hope you guys doing very well and welcome on this new trading video from Do It FX. This is Doze speaking. So on today's session, what I am about to share you today is a quick short video of how to install the easy scalping strategy using the golden line indicator. Let's we start guys to how to install this golden line indicator that I found. We have to download the easy scalping system golden line. It will be in the description down below. We extract the files. After we extract the files, you will find like this folders, is two folders. So let we open our MetaTrader 4. Here you go guys, this is our MetaTrader 4. Then we go to the file and we choose open data folder. It will come out, this is folder, and we put it on our right. So we open to our indicator. This is two indicator, you can choose any one of this guys. So we click on golden line. This is golden line indicator. We go to the template, we select this two template and copy. Then we go to our data folders of the MetaTrader. We go to choose template and we paste or Control V. As you see guys, then we go back. Then we go back on our indicator that we download, and we go to the indicators and we select all this, we copy and we paste, and we go to the MQL4 indicator and we paste on this indicator. As you see guys, I have already installed it in my indicator, so I don't need to install. Then we go to another one, they have golden line, the version 4, we install also. We stay as we are on the indicator. Here we go to MQL indicator, then we copy this, the indicator only, from here to here. We copy it and we paste. As you see guys, I have also in my indicator, so I don't need. And we go back and we go to template and we copy this also three files to put it here. As you see guys, it's the same, I already have, so I don't need. So we close all the folders, so we don't need it anymore, and we close our MetaTrader 4 to restart, and we refresh our PCs. Now we open our MetaTrader 4. Here you go guys, we have opened it. So we can press this market watch or our currency pairs that we can choose. So we choose any currency pairs do you want to open. For example, OUD, we open OUD, and we open USD for example, or we open a gold. as you see, guys. Then we select what currency you want to put it in template. So we go to Euro USD, we go press template, and we choose golden line in template here. Here you go, guys. This is the system. Is very easy system to use. Now we can see it. Then we choose another, is the same too. Here you go, guys. This is the indicator that I am telling you to use. Is very easy using this golden line indicator. And this is indicator, I found it in some website. I have been using it and is very profitable and very easy to use. And next video I will explain how to use this indicator step by step, and also maybe I will do live indicator using this indicator. So guys, I will share this indicator on my channel down on the description. Like what they say, sharing is caring. I hope you enjoy this video, and I always say please smash that like button, subscribe, and until next time, take care. Thank you, guys.